Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, My Kinda Art with me, Ivan Florentino. For today's video, I drew every single Ninja Turtle plus some enemies and some bosses in my tiny sketchbook using ballpoint pens only. So here's my time-lapse video of 8 total drawings in the Ninja Turtle series. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, please hit that like button, ring the bell, leave a comment, and get to it. So here we are, I finally completed my series of Ninja Turtles, where I first started off drawing Michelangelo, then I went on to draw Master Splinter, and then the leader of the group, Leonardo, next Raphael, one of my favorites, and then I finished Usagi, and now the purple intelligent turtle, Donatello. And for the sole female character, April O'Neil. And for the villain of the entire franchise, Shredder. So here for my first drawing, I drew Michelangelo, the goofy Ninja Turtle. I drew him here with his nunchucks, and it's based off of one of my favorite recent releases of the Ninja Turtle games is TMNT, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Shredder's Revenge. So my second character from the Ninja Turtle series was Master Splinter, the giant rat with the cool looking staff, type of a stick that he has, and his burgundy robe, and these bandages wrapped around his feet. He looks really cool. And he's such an iconic character and one of the staples in the Ninja Turtle series and the video games as well. And again, I started off by drawing with pencil to make sure I have a great underdrawing, and then I finished it off with cheap ballpoint pens in black. Alright, so for my third drawing of the Ninja Turtles, I drew Leonardo, or Leo. He's the leader of the group, and he has two samurai swords, and he's colored in blue. And again, I got this pose from the official artwork from TMNT, Shredder's Revenge. And I started off drawing with a drafting pencil and a very, very light sketch, then eventually using black, cheap ballpoint pens. So in this tiny sketchbook, I've been using only ballpoint pens in black, and these are cheap ballpoint pens. And again, I started off using a drafting pencil, drawing a very light sketch. A great underdrawing always makes for a great final drawing. With a drafting pencil, it's very easy to erase. And again, I did this because I wanted to challenge myself and see how much I can push the detail with using cheap pens. And the way that I do my art style, I like to do very detailed work even when it comes to cartoons or comic book characters. And here's the final result. I'm drawing Usagi Yojimbo, and he's this cool looking Ronin rabbit, and his design is just aesthetically just cool looking. He has white fur and blue clothing, and his weapon of choice is a katana. And again, I started off drawing with a drafting pencil with a very light sketch, and eventually finishing off with some cheap black ballpoint pens. he is the most iconic villain of the entire franchise. He just looks dope with his hand claws, just the overall aesthetic, his look with the purple bandana cape, the mask, and the helmet. He looks really, really cool. And again, I started off with drawing very lightly with a drafting pencil and finished off using cheap black ballpoint pens. So, what did you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section below if you guys grew up with the Ninja Turtles and if you like my sketches. And before we leave, please hit that like button, ring the bell, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you guys next time. Bye-bye.